Hi, this is Attorney Nick Feizy. So what happens if you're involved in a car accident that's not your fault, but the other driver does not have any car insurance? What do you do? Well, hopefully you have what's called uninsured motorist coverage. Basically all that is if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident and the other person who's at fault doesn't have insurance, then your own auto insurance policy will cover you up to the amount of policy that you have. So for example, if you have $30,000 in property damage, uninsured motorist coverage, your own insurance will pay up to $30,000 for your vehicle, and the same thing for bodily injury. If you have $30,000 in bodily injury coverage, your own auto insurance company will pay up to $30,000 for your injuries. And so, what happens if you don't have uninsured motorist coverage and the other vehicle doesn't have any insurance? Then, unfortunately, for your property damage, you're out of luck. You're just going to have to pay out of pocket yourself. You can always sue that other person, but if he doesn't have an insurance, chances of you recovering any money from him or her is going to be very low. Um, and then what about your medical expenses in this case? Well, if hopefully you have health insurance coverage, which can pay for your medical bills. If not, another coverage on your own auto insurance policy will be personal injury protection or medical payments coverage. If you have those on your auto insurance policy, they can also cover your medical expenses. But if you don't have any of those three, then again, unfortunately, you're going to have to pay out of pocket. Once again, you can sue that other person who's at fault, but if there's no auto insurance, most likely you're not going to recover. And usually, when there's no auto insurance coverage from the party that was at fault, most, if not all, attorneys will not even accept the case because there's nothing to go after. So, hopefully, this was helpful. Make sure you have uninsured motorist coverage on your own policy and or health insurance.